Hello! Hello, my love.
Hello.
We are going to the range. Nangita niyo shelf para dito sa kuan sa greenhouse. Oh, tractors. Lamborghini. Init kaayo. What time is it now, babe?
It is
6:41. And then the weather is very hot.
22 degrees.
22 degrees. 6:41, almost 7 p.m. Love it. And sandal lang. Si baby t-shirt. Ay, sa gwapo eh.
Eden Park.
Eden Park t-shirt.
Oh, I like that.
What?
That green.
Are you like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
What colour is that?
Yeah. Oh, 149 na lang siya, oh. Mahal ko ni sa B&Q. Lalami ay daghan kay sale. My God. 49 only. Yeah, I like that. And folding?
Yeah.
Wow, nice. 149.
I'm not sure
But
how comfy it is.
2-seaters only.
Oh, it's actually comfy in the clothes.
Oh, 299. So, nice po siya. Ang buhay. Oh, nice kayo siya. Oh, pink. Terno sila. Kittle og toaster. Babe, oh, pink.
Yeah, we are not getting a pink kettle.
Why not?
This is
Wow.
different than last time we came in.
Yeah, this is nicer now.
That's only 30.
Well arranged. How much?
It's only 30.
30 pound? Wala. Yeah, it's comfy, babe. It's nice. I can't believe it's 29 only. Nasalay banig diri, oh. Babe, when we were young, this is our banig. What do you call this? Banig? With strawberry, my love. Yeah, we have this already. This one, but this one we don't have.
No?
And this one, no runner, babe. Oh, nice. Nice ani oy. Kusang giingnan ba nga kaning banig. Dili rami matulog sa salog tapos magbanig. Ana siya, wala man gani gihapon kakabalo sa kasulti anak kung unsa na siyang banig, unsa nang banig. Ako kabalo sa English. This one we bought 99. Cute kayo, oh. Cute ba ni nga dako mo ni kayo? Kanang palitonon dali ay. That is what?
Incredible.
Incredible.
You do know, though.
You know
You
what?
can only fill it to the...
Yeah, here is fries or any food.
right.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Not for my head. What we need here, babe? Look, cute.
Only fools and oases.
Because you don't want to?
Extendable massage.
What's that?
It's a massage. It's
Ah.
like a golf ball.
Yeah, you just do that on your back. Mamili ko diri og pot. Oh, mantag na yung barato. Dadlock. Agoy, murag mabudol ni. 7-8, perfect. May like this. Still,
Massive.
yeah, I want that.
Oh,
Ang amo gipangita, shelf. Naa sila kani pero di gihapon ni pwede kay mura man ni. Masangko. Mulapas man to kay tagas naman to. Naramang good siya sa sadlog niya daghag slag so kailangan og ipatong siya.
I don't think they're going to have anything, are they?
Even their soil, they don't have a new plants. Daghan sila kalangkuwi, babe, oh. Kalangkuwi. And look at them, babe. They're not opening. Yeah. May kalangkuwi. Uy, strawberry, babe, oh. Why there are small leaves?
To be fair, there is 6 plants.
How much? $5.99?
£5.99, £6.
6 pound na. Nana siya bunga. Pero, kuan siya, 6 ka plant. Cadenza. But, why their leaves were small? Save your tears, 'cause save your tears for another day. Their display are dirty. Diba? Open sesame. They're on sale. That one, you need that one.
I don't need that. I don't need one of those.
Yours is really
Poppy. I don't like poppies.
old already, huh?
The poppy. I don't like poppies.
Ah,
I like the
why?
small one. Where's the link?
Ah, okay. Sagol na siya diri. May grocery, may mga tanan. Everything that you need in the house is here, right?
Hmm?
Everything you need in the house, for the house. Yeah.
Anything you need and a lot of things that you don't need.
Yeah. Ooh. I've seen something, baby. Ding! Strawberry.
Really awkward to drink out of. Tiger.
It's not. Because there's handle. And you can hold it. uh, Napoy dagang strawberry. Yeah, we have already that one. Oh, nice.
£129 and 99 pence.
Wow.
And it doesn't make me look any slimmer.
You don't even have the space for that. This one, babe, like ours. Oh, wow, very colorful. Nice ka yung mga painting. My God. Kaniyo, ganahan ko anyo. Strawberry pa lang ni cherry man. Yan, oh, nice ka. Isa dito ay. Naigwapo kayo diri, oh. Mga nice ka ayo. Oh, kaniyo, elephant. Wow. Oh, boy. Gulay. Nice. Uy, uy. Unggoy. Oh, lonely. It's the night. Wow, ka mga nice. Uy, kani gid oh. Si Black kaayo. Gwapo niya siya sa sana. Ay, Dara jud ang pinakagwapo. Babe, look at that. Look at that. Og nabudol. Gwapo kay mga painting. Oh. Mas gwapo jud na siya. Oh.
Close in half an hour.
Ha? Demo. What is that for?
This is a mirror.
A mirror?
You
And?
open it,
When you open, ay wow.
and inside you have lots of little spaces to put little things.
Like what?
Keys, perhaps.
Keys?
One pair of socks.
Necklace.
Rings.
Yeah, jewelries. Here also necklace. Earrings. Wow. Jewelries. Everything. Mm. Asa naman to kung bana? Ako ilang mga kortina. Oh. Gusto ko mapalit og kortina para sa sala. Ang isa kay dili. Dili pa daw kailangan. Mahal kay ilang mga sofa. Di makaya. Wala ang biscuits. Palit ni Ani. 4 pound lang siya. Ano ni siya? 1.3 kilograms. We will have this? Yes. What? Hair color.
Paracetamol.
We still have. Oran niya mong napalit, guys.
Yeah.
Kani.
Do you want to get one?
Biscuit.
49 pence.
Okay.
Want to get one?
And this one, oh. Okay. Palit na mi, guys. Mong napalit. O, biscuit o vitamins. Mura.
All the essentials.
And Charlotte is waiting.
Well, I think we'll have a look at Argos website, see if there's anything like what we need in Argos website.
We will just make it. Narado na sila. Mag alas 8 na. And then, pati pa kainit. Oh.
You've not got
Oh,
your seatbelt on.
seatbelt, sorry.